Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. I will have everything listed down below. And yes, as you can tell, today is going to be an unboxing video. I don't think I've actually done an unboxing video here on my channel, but this is going to be the very first time and I'm so excited because dun 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 dun, I got a birthday gift and I have to show it to you guys and I have to give you my honest opinion. If you're wondering what this is, stick around because we're gonna start right now. Yes, as you guys saw in the thumbnail and as you guys saw on my Instagram post, I got a gift. It was a very nice birthday gift that I've wanted for a really long time and I actually get to get it now. And in case you guys are wondering, dun 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 dun, I got, wait. I don't know if I should just like unbox and go step by step or if I should just show what it is. So just in case you guys are wondering, I actually got the Chanel espadrilles. I hope I'm pronouncing them right. And it's a beautiful box. It's very sturdy. They're beautiful, beautiful everyday shoes that you can wear. And this is what the box looks like when you first open it. It obviously has two bags, which is so nice. You would expect just one bag. With the Louboutins, you usually get just one. But with Chanel, you get two bags. They say Chanel on them, and it's a bag for each shoe. So if you travel, you can always take them with you. Or even if you just want to take them somewhere, you want to take them off. These bags are just the best. After that, just like any other shoe, it comes with all this material to cover the shoe. And when you open it, there's more tissue paper. And then of course, you get to the actual shoe. How pretty. Guys, I am in love and it's for like the best reason ever. I wanted these shoes for a long time. I wanted the white and black. These are the beige and black, but I wanted the white and black just because I don't know, I just really like the color of white. I don't know if you guys can tell. But they're beautiful and they feel so nice. As you guys can see, they come with tissue paper in them and these are made out of lamb skin. I'm a size 6, which is a 36. A 36 if you're in the UK. The only thing with them is that on the actual material on the sides, it feels very soft and very sensitive. Like this is something that if you scratch the shoe with it, it's gonna leave a mark as opposed to a shoe that would have had a thicker material here on the sides. And then on the inside, it says made in Spain, Chanel. Well, Spain is known for espadrilles, but I don't know, I would have thought that these were actually made in France. Correct me if I'm wrong, maybe this is something that Chanel is doing. I'm not indulged in all of that. But for the most part, it is a beautiful shoe. Here's the thing with them. Aside from the material on the sides being so soft, I'm a size 6 and I'm a true 6. It's very rare for me not to be a 6. When I'm not a size 6, I fit into a 5.5 and maybe a 6.5, but that's very, very rare. With these shoes, the actual top of the shoe presses against my skin and it looks as if my foot is swollen. Aside from that, I am most likely going to get a 6.5 because these are very tight, and also when you try them on, before you try them on, you're going to see that the actual material on the lambskin is going to be very, very soft and smooth. When you try them on, that's going to stretch and you're going to see little cracks. Not that that looks bad, and I've heard it's normal with leather, but I love them. I truly do love them. Sadly, because this is an old collection, they don't have the white and black that I told you guys in the beginning, but those are very, very nice and I hope that someday they make them again. I did call the Chanel store because I want to purchase more in the future and they're going to come out with new collections If you visit their website, you're going to see just an array of Chanel espadrilles that are available for sale that are very, very pretty. I hope that you guys love this video. Let me know if this was helpful and if you want more videos like this one in the future. I am going to have a get the look with this outfit that I'm wearing. It's from BCBG and I know you guys are going to love it. If you're not following me on social media, now is the time to do so. I am on Instagram at Beauty by Marianela, at Facebook at Beauty by Marianela. I will have everything listed down below for you guys. I hope that you guys love this video. Guys, I love you and you don't know how much I value the time that you give me and that you're watching my videos and supporting me. That means everything to me. I will catch you guys on my next video, and now in the end, see more of the videos that I have available on my channel. Feel free to browse around. I will catch you guys next time.